Dr. Ida Khanum from Concierge Pediatrics in Bel Air, Houston, Texas. So a question I got was, my baby passed the newborn hearing screen when she was born, and now the child is about 2 and isn't talking very much. And so we recommend that baby or that little child to go get a hearing test done. And the parents will often say, no, my child passed the newborn hearing screen, so why would they need to do another hearing evaluation? And I wanted to come on board and share that, look, yes, we do a routine. This is just statewide, nationwide. Every baby that is born gets a newborn hearing screen to make sure that there's no hearing deficits at birth. But remember, sometimes things can present themselves later on. You can have hearing issues at different frequencies. Things can develop a little later with time. And so that is why it is quite common that, and this can happen, it's not a very high percentage, but one of the main things that we do is we do repeat a hearing screen before we recommend any kind of speech evaluation for children, just to make sure that nothing has developed during the last 2 years, like for this little one, and that they are hearing appropriately, so that way now when we teach them how, different speech techniques, they're able to hear it and use it. So that is why we repeat the hearing screen.